Alright YouTube, I've been trying to take this third row out since I have all my stuff out, so I'm trying to do the last piece and I've got all of them out. I'm sorry, I've been wiping my face. I have makeup on my face and now all this makeup is on my shirt. All of the screws out except this one and that one. I can't get that out, so I'm gonna have to have some help, but I've gotten all the other bolts out, so it shouldn't be long now, and then I can put all my stuff back in. Okay, I'll show you how it turns out when I get everything out, hopefully tonight, but it might be tomorrow because I'm gonna have to enlist a little help that I don't have. And it's hot and humid out here. All right, I'll check in with you later. Okay guys, I am trying to work this out. I bought a rug, trying to make the flooring more comfortable, but as usual, my measurements are off. So I'm gonna try to adjust it some kind of way. I did finally get that third row out, so I'll show you that and what I've done so far. And as usual, I just cannot seem to measure correctly. So the curtains are just folded over, the other seats are out, but I finally managed to take that third row out. So I put that bench that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace, and so because I couldn't get the rock and roll seats or beds that I wanted, which would have had the seat on the back if you sat it up like a sofa. So my phone, I had a message come through and I accidentally hit the button. But I'm gonna try, I don't know if I want to cut this or if I want to just kind of position it some kind of way, because the seats are going to be on top of that, and that bench, that brown bench there, is where the stow and go seats folded under and stored in there, that last bench. So I'm going to see if I can get some type of cover or top to go on that so it won't be brown, it'll be white or gray or something. But the floor under that, I put the mats back in, and I was worried about, I wanted soundproofing and some kind of insulation, so I was thinking maybe a rug on top would work, but we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. I'll take more clips as I keep going and putting things back in, since I finally managed to get that seat. It's so hot and humid out here. I mean, I haven't even been out here long and I'm just sweating. I mean, it's just because it's so humid in this part of the state. Well, in Texas. Oh my God, just sweating. And I haven't been out here long. I took the groceries in and I came out and laid the rug out, and it looks like I've been working outside for hours. But anyway, I'll keep you guys updated on my progress in putting it back together and see how it works. Oh, I did find this. I found that sign at Walmart. I thought that was cute. So, yeah. All right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.